In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams background before a meeting. Whether you're working from home or just want to hide your office clutter, this feature can help you present a more polished and professional image to your colleagues. So, let's dive right in and make sure you're ready to transform your virtual meeting experience. First, make sure you've opened the Microsoft Teams app on your device. It could be your laptop or desktop, whatever you usually use to join your meetings. Once you're inside the app, take a look at the left-hand side menu. You should see an option labeled Calendar. Click on it, and it will bring up your schedule of meetings. Now, here comes an important part. Find the meeting you're planning to join. You'll see a list with the meeting's name, date, and time. Once located, click on that particular meeting. Doing so opens a detailed view of the meeting information. Here, you'll see a Join button. But don't click on it just yet. Before you enter the meeting, we want to adjust our background settings. Instead of directly clicking Join, pause for a moment and observe another option called Background Filters. This is located just below the video preview window. It's subtle, so don't worry if it takes a moment to spot it. When you select Background Filters, a new panel appears on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with a variety of virtual backgrounds to choose from. You'll see everything from subtle blur effects to pre-uploaded images. Spend a moment selecting the one that suits your needs. If you already have an image you'd prefer to use as your background, there's also an option to Add New, allowing you to upload your custom image. Just ensure your picture is appropriate and professional for your meeting context. After choosing your desired background, take a glance at the video preview on your screen. This preview shows you exactly how your chosen background will look when you join the meeting. If you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can proceed by clicking the Join Now button. This will launch you into the meeting, and your new background will be in place, displaying to all participants. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to customize your Microsoft Teams background before entering any meeting. This small adjustment can go a long way in improving your presentation and creating a professional atmosphere, no matter where you're working from. Remember to test this feature out before important meetings to ensure everything runs smoothly. If you ever wish to revert to your original background, simply follow these steps and choose the default option. Thanks for watching, and happy meeting!